Did you know this? AI in education is growing. It is growing very fast. Experts predict a huge market soon. AI is changing how we learn. This is not just a dream, it is happening in our schools. Right now, today. What is AI in education? It is very smart software. It can think a bit. It can also learn new things. These tools help our teachers. They help students learn better. Imagine a special helper for every single child. AI will not replace teachers. No, that is not the plan. Teachers are too important. Their human connection is key. AI is here to give support. It is a powerful new assistant. It handles some simple tasks, so teachers can do more. AI's journey in school is starting. We see exciting things daily. New tools are always appearing. They promise more personal learning. They aim to make education open, for every student, everywhere. The potential is truly massive. We must explore it with care. Our classrooms today are diverse. Students come from many places. They all learn in different ways, and at their own unique speed. Catering to each one is hard. It is a big job for teachers. AI can offer real solutions. It can bring needed help. AI tools can adapt themselves. They change for each student. They show information differently. They can adjust task difficulty. So, students learn at their pace. They get the support they need, just when they need it most. No student gets left behind. Think about teacher resources. They need good, fresh materials. They need tools for checking work. They need to track student progress. Often, school resources are few. Budgets can be very tight. AI gives access to more. Digital resources can really help. The world is changing so fast. Technology is a big driver. Students must be well prepared for a future filled with AI. Using AI in class now helps. They develop important new skills. It teaches true digital literacy. This is vital for their success. Marking work is a big task. It takes up so much time. Teachers could use this time better, perhaps for planning great lessons, or for helping students one-on-one. AI grading software can assist. It marks tests very quickly. It can even check some writing. Personalized learning platforms are great. These are very clever tools. AI watches how students learn. It finds where they are stuck. Then, it suggests right exercises or specific learning resources. This tailored support works well. It helps students understand more. AI also helps diverse learners. Students with disabilities benefit. AI offers assistive technologies, like tools that read text aloud, or software for different styles. For language learners, AI tutors. They give practice and feedback. Education becomes more inclusive now. Resource shortages are a problem. This is true in many schools. AI can help to bridge this gap. It provides access to online books. It offers virtual science labs. It can connect students globally. These AI tools enrich learning. They bring new, exciting chances. Let me share a quick story. A secondary school tried something. They used an AI maths platform. Students used it for practice. The platform adapted to them. It gave them instant feedback. Teachers saw a real improvement. Student engagement went right up. The AI platform helped teachers too. It was not just for students. Teachers got detailed student reports. They saw tricky topics easily. This allowed them to adapt. They could focus their teaching. The AI became a good partner, a very helpful classroom friend. The advantages of AI are clear. It gives personal learning paths. It supports our great teachers. It can help with fewer resources. It readies students for tomorrow. Learning becomes more effective and also much more engaging. The key is using tools wisely. Our AI journey is still going. There is much more to explore. We must ensure ethical AI use. We must protect all student data. But the potential is truly huge to transform education for good. What are your thoughts on this? Please share your ideas below.